Cardano rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's analysis, we were testing this crucial resistance here at 32 cents, which I mentioned is going to be a very important level for Cardano because as you guys can see from previous price analysis, we bounced off this level multiple times before we finally had our move to the downside. Now, of course, I was looking for a nice bullish momentum candle on Cardano. Much like the other cryptocurrency pairs, we saw some nice moves to the upside. Cardano failed to break above this level. You can see we actually got 3 tests on the 4-hour and then a bearish engulfing candle. And now if you guys are paying attention, you can see that the exponential moving averages are also starting to push lower. This of course would mean the fact that we are looking to retest around this 30% level and see whether or not this level is going to hold. Of course, looking at this level specifically, you can see that we failed to break below this level. Of course, we had some nice fake out movement, but once again we are now retesting this level for the 3rd time. Usually on the 3rd test we tend to see a break formation to the downside, which is why I've been leaning towards this overall support here at 28 cents. Of course, this level, as long as it does hold around the 30 cents, we could be looking for a potential wick to this major resistance here at 34, which has acted as a very strong resistance point for Cardano. You can see we failed to break above that level multiple times, and currently if we do see a nice bounce confirmation, that would be the 3 test confirmation we are looking for. On the hourly time frames, you can see we are already below the exponential moving averages, using them as resistance and now having that confirmation to the downside. We are seeing multiple bearish engulfing candles here on Cardano. So ideally what I would be looking for would be, of course, to see how this BART formation plays out overall. We are still in this BART formation on the hourly for Cardano. We have invalidated that formation across many of the other cryptos, but Cardano still has this BART formation at play. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did see this level bounce on 30 cents and then a strong bullish engulfing candle. That formation would become invalidated and this would just be a continuation pattern. Of course, if this area does break at 30 cents and we actually see this level being tested as resistance, that would give us a major confirmation to actually start looking for those shorting entries, possibly down to that 28. I've mentioned this to you guys many times before that, of course, that 28 cent level is a daily support. That doesn't mean that I am looking to enter Cardano for the long term for that daily. I would be much comfortable entering Cardano around this 13 cent level, and because of the fact that that has a lot more weight on the daily time frames. If we were to look at the daily time frames, you can see that's pretty much the level we tested as resistance as well as a confirmation of a bounce before we had this massive move on Cardano pushing on higher. That's the exact level that I'm going to be looking for, and if we look at the chart and zoom out, you can see that pretty much that would be a perfect local bottom, or of course the bottom of the crypto market. I don't really look for specific areas for a bottom, but I'd be a lot more comfortable having a DCA right down there, right? I'd be a lot happier dollar cost averaging around this level than for the long term than be entering currently at 31 cents because of the fact that you can see from previous price analysis, even on the daily time frames, we had multiple tests of this level. So again, it's going to be very, very risky to enter around that 28 cents even once we test that level. I would like to see a clean confirmation, but if you guys look at the daily, you can see that Cardano is failing to break above these exponential moving averages. We've had multiple retests at these levels with a failed confirmation and have yet to see that bullish engulfing candle come through. We did see that bounce, of course, on 31, and immediately after we rejected and are currently pushing lower and lower. This is why I'm going to be looking closely to see whether or not we have a strong bullish engulfing candle or at least a fake out wick to the downside, then the continuation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have